Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start chapter 13 of science, that is fun with magnet. Students, what is magnet? Object which attract magnetic materials like cobalt, nickel and iron are called magnet. Natural magnet. Magnetite is called natural magnet. Uses of a magnet. A magnet finds its use at a number of places. For example, refrigerator door, some pencil boxes, many toys, magnetic stickers, soap stand, pen stand, all make use of a magnet for their functioning. Students, let's see how magnets were discovered. It is said that there was a shepherd named Magnus who lived in ancient Greece. He used to take his herd of sheep and goats to the nearby mountain for grazing. He would take a stick with him to control his herd. The stick had a small piece of iron attached at one end. One day he was surprised to find that he had to pull hard to free his stick from a rock on the mountainside. It seemed as if the stick was being attracted by the rock. The rock was a natural magnet and it attracted the iron tip of the shepherd's stick. It is said that this is how natural magnets were discovered. Got it, children? Magnetite contains iron. Some people believe that magnetite was first discovered at a place called Magnesia. The substances having the property of attracting iron are now known as magnets. Later on, the process of making magnets from pieces of iron was discovered. These are known as artificial magnets. Understood? Now, activity first. Do yourself. Okay? Students, in second activity, we will see about magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Magnetic materials, the materials which get attracted towards the magnet are known as magnetic materials. For example, iron, nickel and cobalt. Non-magnetic materials, the materials which are not attracted towards the magnet are known as non-magnetic materials. For example, leather, plastic, cloth, paper. Magnetic poles. Magnetic attraction is maximum near the ends of the magnet. These are called the magnetic poles. Students, activity 3 you have to do with yourself. Okay. Now next, poles of magnets. Attraction between two poles, opposite poles of two magnets attracts each other. It is called attraction. Got it, children? Now let's see finding direction. Compass. This is a small glass case containing a magnetized needle pointed on a nail. The needle can rotate freely. Wherever it is kept, its needle always rests in north-south direction. Normally, the north pole of the needle is painted red or some other indication is given to identify north and south poles. So, using this needle, north and south can be identified. Okay. Students, now make your own magnet. There are several methods of making magnets. Let us learn the simplest one. Take a rectangular piece of iron, place it on the table. Now take a bar magnet and place one of its rolls near one edge of the bar of iron. Without lifting the bar magnet, move it along the length of the iron bar till you reach the other end. Now lift the magnet and bring the same pole you started with, to the same point of the iron bar from which you began. Move the Move the magnet again along the iron bar in the same direction as you did before. Repeat this process about 30-40 times. Bring a pin or some iron fillings near the iron bar to check whether it has become a magnet. If not, continue the process. Use some more time. Remember that the pole of magnet and the direction of its movement should not change. You can also use an iron nail, a needle or a blade and convert them into a magnet. Okay. Next, attraction and repulsion between magnets. Repulsion between two poles. Similar poles of two magnets repel each other. It is called repulsion. Magnetic effect can pass through screen. Magnetic influence can pass through screens of some substances like cloth, plastic, paper, glass, etc. Magnets lose their properties if they are heated, hammered, or dropped strongly and hardly. To keep them safe, bar magnets should be kept in pairs with their unlike poles on the same side. They must be separated by a piece of wood while two pieces of soft iron should be placed across their ends. For house shoe magnet, office should keep a piece of iron across the poles. Got it, children? So, children, these are few questions about magnet. Here with this we completed our chapter. Thank you. Take care.